Moderate. From the A side of a two-story rescue dock formation, pulling a line, making entry. We got water right next to us. We need to take a watch. Control to yourself, connect to the fire control. You can hear the channel I'm on.
Fire under control, 1800 hours.
Your AOR. Hey, Captain, they got a working fire over there on Union Street.
Control 1, Engine 10.
Engine 10, go ahead.
Looks like we have a fire on Main Street, about 3 blocks east of the court tower.
10-4.
Control 1, Engine 6, Fremont Center. Do you need us to go anywhere?
Engine 6, we have a structure fire across from the A station.
Engine 10 is clear, we're en route.
10-4. Which unit came available from the other structure for the second structure?
Truck 3 and Engine 9. And the county 1 and operator 1.
10-4.
What's the address for the fire? We're trying to make our way there.
It's going to be at Weber and Union. Weber and Union across from the A station.
County 2, County 1, I recommend a second. Stretch 2.5, this is defensive.
10-4, confirming you're putting in the second.
10-4.
10-4, second alarm. Second alarm.
Operator 1 listening.
Operator 1, 10-4.
Truck 3, Engine 9, you guys spot, we'll set up the pump to you. Yeah, it's over there, finally.
We're coming up on a major fire that just broke out. It appears to be the old railroad depot off Union Street, off North Union, just north of East Main Street. Emergency vehicles are still arriving. We're walking as close as we can get. Here's the attack going on now. It's very hot. I mean, it's even hotter than the temperature right now. The whole roof is completely consumed right now. I don't think this building's going to be able to be saved. This historic railroad station. Fire trucks, as you can see, still arriving.
Engine 6 is on scene. We're getting a water supply right here on the corner. We'll come in and help Engine 10 with a 2.5.
Engine 6 on scene.
Engine 9, we're on scene. We're going to get water and supply truck 3.
Engine 9, water supply truck 3. Attention Engine 12, Engine 11, District 604C, Charles, second alarm, Weber at Union. Respond on 1 TAC is Channel 2, alarm time is 1824.
Engine 9, number 2, charge the hydrant. Alright, we got someone trapped in here. I need some saws over here, circ saw. Yeah, we got her out. She's coming out front. 10-4, I copy. We got another guy that's coming out to the front. Someone grab him and make sure he's okay. Emergency traffic, everybody stay away from the building. It's starting to collapse. Broadcast the tone.
Attention all companies. Stay away from the building. It is collapsing. All companies, the building is collapsing at Weber and Union.
This is our second fire. It's left another fire to come here, just on the other side of the freeway. It seems like the whole town's burning down right now.
Weber County 2, no, there's no exposures on the Bravo and Charlie side. 10-4. I recommend the second truck put their stick up over on Weber. It's a total loss over here on the Bravo side.
Did you need your ambulance code 3?
Send the ambulance code 2, but we do have a patient.
10-4, they are en route code 2.
10-4. Command, we pulled 2 people out of there. Control 3, Battalion 1. I let the railroad know the tracks are dead. It's going to look a little ominous to them when they're coming through here, but the tracks will be open.
10-4, tracks are
I'm
open.
with Rick Stubbsdad, the battalion chief.
We were just clearing another commercial fire in the 400 block of San Joaquin. We actually saw the smoke from that fire. That fire was under control, so we brought 3 to use. From the original fire to this, and then they called for a second alarm. This was through the roof. That part of the roof had already collapsed by the time we got here. The truck company pulled 2 people out of the north side of the building.
Oh, wow.
One of them was going to the hospital with minor injuries. They were not just minor.
Wow.
So now it's just a defensive fire. We're just trying to contain it to this end of the building. Keep it ready for that.
Command, Truck 4, we're on Harding and Union now. Where do you want us to set up? Truck 4 and 11. Command's got us setting up a water tower on the Charlie Delta side. You're going to need to come in west of the tracks because we have the 5-inch laid across the east side of the tracks. And meet me on this corner and we'll figure something out. 10-4, we're turning around. If we got to come in west of the tracks, we'll take California down.
What is this? You guys just came from a serious fire. What's going on?
It was the Gospel Mission, 443 South San Joaquin. We pulled up, there was heavy fire showing from, they had these huge big plate windows sectioned off, of course. There was fire showing when we arrived. The person in did a great job. They knocked it down. They contained it to the first floor. They have a large mezzanine, really chocked up inside, and kept it out of their attic space.
Okay.
So they're there investigating that fire right now and putting out hotspots.
Command, Truck 4, we're getting set up for water tower now. We are directly west of the structure in the empty lot.
Union IC copy. Command, Truck 4 aerial. Can you back the crews on the Bravo side out a little bit? I'm going to try to hit that.
10-4.
Union IC, you're 60 minutes in. 60 minutes.
10-4, you can stop the clock.
10-4, stopping the clock at 19:21.